Hi, hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to solve trigo equation using t-substitution. And the angles are in radian or in terms of I, which is the value of x is between 0 and 2 pi. So pi here means either in terms of pi or in radian. And it cannot be in degree. So the question given is cosecant theta. So CSC is cosecant. And cot means cotangent. So cosecant, or we can also write a cosec, is actually 1 over sine theta. And cotangent is actually 1 over tangent. So since tangent is sine over cos, and cotangent is 1 over tangent, so in other words, cotangent is actually cos over sine. So we replace cotangent with cos over sine equals to 3. And notice that the denominator, both of them are sine. So we can bring this sine to the right hand side. So 1 plus cos theta equals to 3 sine theta. So in terms of equation, we can rewrite 3 sine theta minus cos theta equals to 1. We notice that the equations here only have sine and cos and not even a square. So there is no other way to change into cos or sine only. So if it is in this case, the only way to solve is by using t-substitution. What is t-substitution? So t-substitution is basically from the half angle formula of tangent, where tangent theta equals to tangent theta over 2 over 1 minus tangent squared theta over 2. So here t substitution means we replace, or we let t with tangent theta over 2. So the formula now tangent theta so equals to 2t over 1 minus t squared. So here the situation. So let's say the angle theta is here, and we know tangent is opposite over adjacent. So in order to complete the triangle, we have to find out the value of hypotenuse over here. So if you not sure or you don't memorize this concept, so you can calculate using Pythagoras theorem. So 2t squared plus 1 minus t squared squared. So I'm not too detailed about this one, but in the end, we will get that the value of the hypotenuse would be 1 plus t squared. So we will use this value to deduce the value of sine theta, which is 2t over 1 plus t squared, and also cos theta, which is 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. So these two equation there is sin theta equals 2t over 1 plus t square, and cos theta equals to 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square. We will replace here in our equation in order to solve this question. So let's move to the next slide, how we substitute. So now we substitute sine and cos with the t substitution. So sine will become 2t over 1 plus t squared, and cos would be 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. So equals to 1. So notice here, the denominator is same, that is 1 plus t squared. So we can bring the 1 plus t squared to the right side. And also we can expand set 3 with 2t and also expand the negative here. So altogether, left hand side would be, so we have set 3 times 2. So we put 2 first and then set 3 times t. So negative times 1, so negative 1. Negative times negative t squared, so plus t squared. So equals to 1 times 1 plus t squared, so would be 1 plus t squared. And also we notice here, we have both t squared on the left and right side of the equation. So can cancel out t squared. So negative 1 here, we can bring to the right side. So 2 times 3 times t equals to 2. And then we can cancel out 2. So leaving only 3 times t. So when we put t as a subject, so t would be 1 over 3. Okay. And then after we obtain the value of t, don't forget to substitute back t equals to tangent theta over 2. So here tangent theta over 2 equals to 1 over 3. So after we obtain this linear equation, so we can find the alpha. So we know alpha is actually the inverse tangent of 1 over 3. So you can press your calculator, and we know that the value for the angle would be 30 degrees, right? However, in our case, the question asks in radian or the pi terms. So either we change your calculator setting into the radian, or you can manually divide by 180 times pi. Eventually we will get the same result, that is pi over 6. So this pi over 6 is actually for theta over 2. So the angle is pi over 6. And remember in the previous video, I said that if tangent positive, or silly tomcat, so it can be the first and the third quadrant. So we may consider the angle in third quadrant. However, look at on the left side of the equation. So actually it's theta over 2. So since it's theta over 2, we only consider in the first and second quadrant. So if it's the positive, it will be the first quadrant. If it is negative, only in second quadrant. So here, since the value of tangent is positive, so we only consider the angle in the first quadrant, which is pi over 6. So the final answer, that is theta, so we multiply pi over 6 with 2. Therefore, our final answer would be pi over 3. So that's the answer for this question in radian or in terms of pi. So thanks for watching. So I hope you learned something from this video. keep it up and do a lot of practice for you to have a better understanding in trigo.